Did the Odisha government overstep the screening committees to back Hindalco's bid for the allocation of the Talabira coal block? Well, these are some uncomfortable questions that will soon come to haunt the Naveen Patnaik government.
Well, as the Colgate probe gathers steam, sources say that the CBI will soon question the state government officials in connection with the allocation of coal blocks to Hindalco.
The Colgate heat has now reached the Odisha government, with the CBI likely to seek explanation for Hindalco allocations.
Sources have revealed that very soon CBI is likely to seek an explanation from Odisha government on what made the Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik recommend a coal block to Hindalco.
The crux of the probe will be the letter written by the Odisha Chief Minister to the PMO in August 2005, recommending allocation of Talabira 2 coal block to Hindalco after the 25th Screening Committee had rejected Hindalco's application.
I don't know what they wish to, quiz the state government about. The letter of the Chief Minister is self-speaking. It speaks for itself. Be the Chief Secretary, be the Secretary Steel and Mines, somebody or the other will be very happy to respond to the CBI's queries as and when they come. So far, nothing has come apparently.
Already, the Prime Minister's office has defended this coal block allocation to Hindalco after the CBI named Kumar Mangalam Birla and former Coal Secretary PC Parak in its 14th FIR.
Sources say that it is essential for the CBI to seek an explanation, and till the time they get it, their investigation would not be complete.
But with the Colgate probe gathering steam, it remains to be seen whether the Odisha government will be able to come up with a satisfactory explanation. Bureau Report Times Now.